Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Y'all know what it is, M World Entertainment, and we're out here at Parc des Cedric. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm out here in France. We're in Roissy in France. That's correct. And I'm going to tour around this park just to see what's to it. Bring you guys along. It's a Sunday. Don't look like no one is here. Weather's not really bad. A little chilly, but not too cold. But yeah, let's see what it is together. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to tell a friend. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's see what's to it. It's too. I guess that's the landing. Large. Main landing gear. Let's see what else the park has to offer. Might be closed. It's a Sunday. Here at the park alone. Structure. See what it says over here. Then we'll go back the other way. We'll have a golf course. That's what it is. Let's see what's over this way. Take you out to the neighborhood areas. I just want to see what's this way. We'll come back. Little playground area for the kids. I guess they are right now doing construction, so it's off limits. Different way to enter. Probably behind people's homes here. I think it's just a separate way to enter. Or let's see. Nice place to come. Get your cardio on, your walk, do a little exercise. Good and quiet, going around. villa. This way they have restaurants. This way. And it also has restaurants and villas this way. Start. Maybe Sunday things are closed. Front of this building. This is a little villa people lives in. It's a little town. You guys really want to think you should go this way or keep heading up the other way, see where it ends. This route goes this way. Take the city buses. Take it this way. Okay. Central Villa is either both ways, restaurants, both ways. Let's walk around this way. See what this town look like. Almost look abandoned, huh? But we in France, you guys. Restaurants. villas. Villas. That's how they villas look, you guys. Down here we have more restaurants. Bar, restaurant, majority look closed. They say it is a Sunday. Okay, guys, I'm gonna head up the other street and see what they got going on that way. More restaurants and things. About this village. It's after 2 p.m. French time. Yeah, kind of quiet out here. Marketplace right here to sell fruits, sushi bowl, a few places around here. More restaurants this way. Let's see. See what they have around this way. They say more restaurants. restaurants doing this town. I don't want to get too far off where I'm going. I have to take up the store where food's at. Okay, guys, they have a little sushi bowl right here. It's closed, but they also have a little market down here to have fruits, maybe snacks and water. Different snacks. Yeah, the fruits on the outside. Let's go in. Okay, guys, I stopped by that store. I end up going shopping. Bought all type of food and snacks from our room. Man, if I would have knew that store was right there, would have saved me a whole lot of money. Everything, eating at the restaurant, at the hotel. Same thing, I bought in there for a couple of dollars. The hotel was selling for $8. The sodas I bought for $1. The hotel was selling them for $2. So yeah, I'm straight now. Okay, to walk back through the park, you guys, and yeah, I head back because this bag is kind of heavy. And need to go and take it back to my room. So I appreciate you guys for hanging in there with your brother. Don't forget to thumb up the video. Don't forget to tell a friend. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be on next video. Let's finish walking through this park. Until next video, peace.